Sister number 1, si Eddie.
Oh my goodness, I am so smart.
Sister number 2, si Bobby.
True love my ass.
Sister number 3, si Alex.
I love my life.
Sister number 4, si Gabby.
To your classrooms, now.
And the baby of the family, si CJ.
I'm getting married!
Magpapakasal?
Hindi kayo nakulam o nagayon mo yung bunso natin?
Kung Techi, ano pa man ang opinion natin, kailangan yung umuwi para sa big event.
Ikaw ba sigurado dyan sa babaeng papakasalan mo?
Oo naman ate.
Chararat daw, sabi nitong si Alex.
Anong chararat?
Chararat yung
Unattractive.
pinaganda mo pa. Pangit.
Good morning, sir.
The old maid.
Alex.
The black sheep of the family. The maid in Spain.
Bobby,
The New Yorker. Caregiver.
I am a corporate communications manager. I am required to have an extensive vocabulary so I never use inane and poorly worded language like black sheep and old maid to describe the people I just met.
Nakaka-nosebleed yun.
Are the sisters ready to let him go?
We have to do something and stop that wedding.
Are the sisters trying to fix their brother's life?
So may plano kayo? Kayong lahat? Ano yung plano nyo, ha?
Na iparealize sa'yo na hindi ka dapat magpakasal kay Princess.
Or do they need to fix their own?
Kapag ikaw nagbiro kahit masakit, okay lang.
Kaya nga joke yun, hindi ka dapat nasasaktan doon.
Don't give comments about my personal life because I don't give comments about yours.
Pag-aaway-awayan ba natin to ngayon? Why do I even have to take side? Okay na, talo na ako. Talo na ako.
Hindi ka ba nag-isip? Hindi mo ginamit yung utak mo? My God!
Ate,
Gets ko na, palpak nga eh.
nag-New York ka lang. Ang yabang-yabang mo na.
This is about me now!
Tama na.
No! You don't value that way!
Nag-aaway ba kayo?
Hindi ma, naglalaro ho kami ng charades, ma.
As Star Cinema celebrates 20 years of bringing life, love, and hope on the big screen, we proudly present, for the first time, a gathering of today's biggest stars on film, 4 Sisters and a Wedding.
If that was your attempt of breaking us up, then you failed.
Pwes, bigyan ng maraming options. Options, options, options.